Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Before we get started, do me a favor, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, I'm back really quick. I want to show you guys, I've been speaking about an education platform that you should be checking out to learn how to market online. I am calling it my marketing school. Okay, so if you want to learn how to market online the correct way with some valuable training that you can also give away to people that join you in whatever your business opportunity is, or people that just actually need it. Okay, you want to definitely check this out. So I want to show you the affiliate side of this this actual platform. Okay, so let's go take a look at it and let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, with MLSP, My Lead System Pro, it is a education platform, and I am actually a student in the university, the marketing school, and I am learning so much about marketing, guys. So again, I'm highly recommending this to you. We have quite a bit of training that you're going to see that's very valuable, and it's a great investment in your future in the online marketing space. But before we get into that, let me just show you. I just happened to show up. I'm just working, getting the information getting out here to people, and I happened to show up on the leaderboard, which I thought was very interesting, because I have been focusing on generating leads, okay, getting people the training that they need, as well as getting on the webinars, on the free training, and just getting this information out here. And in the interim, I'm creating quite a bit of leads. Okay, so I showed up on the leaderboard, so let me just show you that really quickly. We go here. I'm in my back office. I haven't quite been in it 30 days yet. As you can see right here, I'm number 4 last 30 days as far as points are concerned. They have a point system there. And if you come down all time, here I am, number 4 right here. And you're talking with some of these top income earners, guys, okay, that's been doing this for years, a lot longer than I have. Okay, so like Ray Higdon, he's on here. But so if you come down a little further, here I am, number 4. Come down a little bit further, total leads. Hadn't been in quite 30 days, but I'm number 2 right here. And then I'm number 1 in the last 7 days on actually generating leads for My Lead System Pro. So as you can see, I have been actually promoting. That's what this means. And then you come down further, it says total lead increase over time. Number 2 in 90 days, number 1 30-day increase in 7 days, number 1. Okay, so I have been actually practicing what I preach. I'm telling you guys about getting these trainings and get involved in this education. And as you can see, I'm showing up here on the leaderboard. So now with that being said, I want Brian to explain to you the affiliate side, because we do have an affiliate side. This is not a business opportunity. This is an education platform. However, if someone you share the platform with decides to say, you know what, I want to be an affiliate, okay, and it would be nice to get, a commission if someone, I refer decides to get on board. So they do have an affiliate side. But before I let Brian explain it to you, let me show you. I have made a few commissions. I'm going to hide this information though, because I don't want to display someone's information. So hang on a second. Okay, I'm going to put my postcard program over that. So right here, as you can see, some commissions have come in. When you refer others to My Lead System Pro, they do have a commission structure. Okay, so this actually, they actually pay. Okay, so this works if you refer someone to the marketing school. Okay, so let Brian explain the affiliate side of this. Okay, because we actually push the education more than we talk about. You can make money. You can make money. Of course, there's an affiliate side to it, but let him explain it to you. Hang on a second.
Big commissions as an MLSP affiliate. Innovation number 1, referral bonuses. When you refer people to MLSP, we pay you a one-time upfront referral bonus based on your membership level. If you are a basic member at the $49 membership and you refer a basic member, you get a one-time referral bonus of $30. If you refer a pro member, you get a one-time referral bonus of $35. If you refer a premium member, you get a one-time referral bonus of $45. Very simple. If you are a pro member at the $149 membership and you refer a basic member, you get a one-time referral bonus of $30. If you refer a pro member, you get a one-time referral bonus of $100. If you refer a premium member, you get a one-time referral bonus of $125. Very simple. If you are a premium member at the $299 membership and you refer a basic member, you get a one-time referral bonus of $30. If you refer a pro member, you get a one-time referral bonus of $100. If you refer a premium member, you get a one-time referral bonus of $200. Now, what happens when your referrals stay MLSP members for longer than 30 days, which many will do? Can you earn ongoing high commissions every single month as your referrals stay active? Yes. Innovation number 2, monthly subscription commissions. This is mailbox money that is sometimes called continuity money because it can continue to pay you every single month for years on end. After you earn your initial bonus on your referral's first subscription payment, you start to earn monthly subscription commissions on their second payment and each subscription payment thereafter on every member every month. This monthly subscription commission is based on your MLSP leader level. As you refer more people into MLSP, you climb the ranks as an affiliate, and you can earn even more money with the MLSP affiliate program. If you are leader level 0, you earn 30% of each monthly subscription payment every single month forever. If you are a leader level 5, you earn 50% of each monthly subscription payment every single month forever, which can be as much as $150 per member per month. One side note, if you refer a member into a higher membership level than yours, you earn 15% of these monthly subscription commissions instead of your leader level percentage. Innovation number 3, pure profit products where you earn 100% of the sale minus a tiny merchant fee transaction. We have high converting funnels and products that will help you build your audience, get leads, and earn upfront cash to fuel your business. This is unheard of. These pure profit products are designed to help you inject quick cash into your business to help you pay for ads, cover your business expenses, create cash flow, and essentially help you get customers for free. Innovation number 4, MLSP flagship product line. Aside from the MLSP membership commissions and the 100% pure profit product commissions, MLSP has even more real value products that range from $7 to $497 and up that you can offer your prospects that pay you an additional 30%. Innovation number 5, one-time offers. Immediately after one of your customers buys anything from MLSP, they will have an opportunity to invest more and upgrade their experience with additional one-time offers. Yes, we pay you 30% on every upsell your customers purchase in our high-converting funnels. No extra work on your part, just extra cash. Innovation number 6, high-end coaching. MLSP has a world-class coaching program where your referrals can upgrade to get hands-on, one-on-one mentorship from some of the best marketers in the game today. These mentorship packages run anywhere from $300 to $30,000. You earn up to 20% commissions on our coaching packages, and by the way, we have a team that will close these sales for you. Innovation number 7, locked for life. If you refer somebody to MLSP, that customer is now locked to you for life, which means whenever your new customer buys anything from MLSP, we pay you forever. Innovation number 8, annual memberships. We recommend our affiliates lead with our highest converting customer acquisition funnels for best results. They are the lowest barrier of entry to get prospects into the MLSP community, culture, and curriculum. These funnels will be the basic membership trial offers and the pure profit products. Once your new prospect becomes a member, they will have 10 days to upgrade their MLSP experience to a $3,000 annual membership, which converts like wildfire. So even if you're brand new and you follow our simple marketing and lead generation formula, you could earn 30% right off the bat of a $3,000 annual upgrade. That's an extra $1,000 cash for your business as you get leads, build your brand, acquire the skill sets to become a professional marketer, and grow your business. And for you big-time affiliates, as you get into leader level 6 and up, we start giving you big-time cash bonuses like $25,000, and we pick up a luxury $1,500 car note so you can drive your dream car. This is the most robust, highest converting, and highest paying affiliate program on the market today, period. Compare the MLSP affiliate program to your traditional MLM commissions where they pay you 5 to 20% max to get customers, not to mention their binary, unilateral, multi-level compression and super confusing compensation plans that nobody really understands. We pay you up to 50% to get leads for your business, not 5 to 20%. It's unheard of. Compare the MLSP affiliate program to ClickBank affiliate products where most pay 30% maximum commissions. We pay you up to 50% to help you create quick cash for your business. It's unheard of. It doesn't take too many referrals to earn a realistic 6-figure affiliate income stream on the side with MLSP, which isn't a bad side hustle, especially when you consider that MLSP is engineered to drive your core business. Nothing can compare to the MLSP affiliate program. Nobody takes care of their affiliates the way MLSP does, and after paying out millions upon millions of dollars to our amazing affiliates, we look forward to helping you create cash flow and grow your business with the innovative, powerful MLSP affiliate program.
So as you can see, as Brian stated, we do have an affiliate side, and it's a great thing. And like I said, this is not a make money online business. It's an education platform. However, if you refer someone to the platform, you can make a commission. Now, what I like is they have the done for you. Okay, lead magnets, guys. That's very critical. So there's a lot of these funnels that's already set up. You don't have to worry about creating a capture page, any of that stuff. If you want to, they do have what's called the funnelizer. I'll come back and show you. I did do that, so you can see that as well. But they have the done for you funnels, so you don't have to worry about trying to figure that out. Just share that, get it out there to the people, and people will come to you. They'll go ahead and register for the webinars, the weekly training, or they'll go ahead and sometimes they'll buy. As you can see, I showed you a few products that I actually sold without me having to pitch anything to anybody, because we do have an autoresponder. So they get into my autoresponder, and MLSP will follow up for me. Okay, so check this out. Let's look at some of the campaigns right here. Lead gen campaigns. Just sharing those. Okay, that's all I've been doing in getting people to the webinars. Okay, sharing these trainings, giving them away, and people are getting that information. As you can see right here, look at the webinar, all the registrations. Okay, so I have actually been working. That's why you saw me on the leaderboard. So again, this is an education platform. So if you actually want to learn how to market online with the primary business you have, this is where you want to be as a student and learn to market the right way. That's very important. This way people are coming to you. You're not chasing people down. You're not chasing friends and family. You're doing it the right way. Okay? With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link below so you can go ahead and become an affiliate. Get this training, number one, and then become an affiliate, because if someone happens to decide that they want it, why not get a commission for it? Okay? Alright guys, that's all I've got for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside of MLSP. Let's work together. If you have any questions, give me a call. Alright? Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.